You're going to love this product. When you get your D.A.D in the mail, open the bottom up first. Pull the two trays out. Just slide out like this. And then you'll remove the safety tab. Might be a little stiff when you first pull it out. And then put your thumb under here and your finger down here and kind of squeeze them together. And that'll release the latch and slide off the rails. Take your actuator out. Take your battery cover out. And then here you have your practice spray, your live spray, and your battery. Take the battery, put it positive end down. Screw that back in. There are a lot of threads, high quality. The device is made out of polycarbonate, same material used to make bulletproof windows and NFL football helmets. Then take your practice spray, pop the top off, drop it down in, take your actuator, put it on, just tap it on, always point it away from you. And then take the top and slide it back on the rails. Make sure it's on the rail on both sides before you try to slide it on. Slide on, then it will snap on. Then you can slide your hand in. You can do a test spray with it and just do short bursts so you can do some practice scenarios and so forth. This hand strap can go on either side. I put my finger through there when I'm riding a mountain bike, so when I pull it off the handlebar, it pops right into place so I can spray a cougar or whatever that might be attacking without taking any time to do it. The 5-mode flashlight, you just press a button lightly and it will cycle through the different modes with strobe and SOS and everything. When you want to get it in a mode and leave it there, you just push all the way down until it clicks. Okay, so that's how you do it. After you've practiced with the practice spray, you'll take this back off, take your live spray out, take the top off, take the actuator off, drop the live spray in, put the top back on, and put the actuator on first, then put the top back on, and you're ready to go. And next video will show you how to use the alert and how to set up your app and all that. I don't like safety tabs very much. Don't use it unless you need to. You want to use it when you put it in your check bags to take out an airplane and so forth. You definitely want to put it in there so it can't bang around in your suitcase and somehow something gets in there and releases some spray. You don't want that to happen. But that's how it goes, and it's there to make it so you can't do the spray, can't do the alert or anything. So there you go. Like I said, any questions, just call.